Perched along the banks of the Raritan River is one of New Jersey's most diverse city centers, and its awe-inspiring attractions will have you on the edge of your seat. Right here in the hub city known as New Brunswick lies a treasure trove of activity that's accessible from almost anywhere in the state. Start with a walk into the downtown area to find some of the finest restaurants and shops in New Jersey, including Sophia Jewelry and Accessories. The hidden gem holds affordable, trendy, and quality pieces that will instantly up your style. Be sure to explore the nearby Boyd Park as well, an award-winning recreation space that offers captivating views of the historic Raritan River and New Brunswick skyline. If you're hungry, sample some of the city's expansive menu. From the southern cuisine of Delta's on Dennis Street to the freshest catches served up at Salt Seafood and Oyster Bar. For fine dining, look no further than the Frog and the Peach with its world-class American cuisine, or opt for some cozy Italian fare in an upscale environment at Catherine Lombardi. The night doesn't have to end with a good meal thanks to the city's glittering cultural venues, which attract today's hottest stars and biggest productions. The recently renovated State Theater New Jersey is the 100-year-old anchor of the downtown district and has been home to everything from silent movies to concerts to ballets. Step inside to see its dazzling interior and take in a show you won't soon forget. Nearby, you'll find another hub in the arts district, New Brunswick Performing Arts Center. Housing 4 performing arts companies, the massive center features 2 state-of-the-art theatrical venues, dedicated rehearsal studios, and collaborative workspaces for arts organizations across the region. If you're in the mood for a good laugh, hit up the renowned Stress Factory Comedy Club, where headliners from around the world hit the stage every single night. Arts aren't the only game in town, courtesy of Rutgers and the Scarlet Knights. Sports enthusiasts can head to SHI Stadium and watch some Big Ten football, or make a pit stop at Jersey Mike's Arena for some hoops and wrestling action. Don't have a ticket? Join fans on George Street to see all the action on big screen TVs, or take a seat at the Yard for a more low-key experience in the heart of the College Avenue campus. A weekend getaway isn't complete without a place to sleep, and 2 luxurious hotels offer the perfect setting to catch some Z's. At the Hyatt Regency, enjoy spacious rooms and access to decadent dining options, or check in at the Heldrich Hotel to relish in sophisticated accommodations such as the on-site spa. From eclectic dining to world-class arts and entertainment of every kind, book a stay today and you'll see that New Brunswick City Center has it all.